Hey there! Did you know that those simple paper filters you use to brew your perfect cup of coffee can do so much more? Yes, you heard it right! Get ready because today we're going to share some brilliant and inventive ways to utilize these versatile paper filters beyond their traditional role. So let's not wait any longer and dive straight into the realm of endless possibilities that these paper filters hold for us. Transforming coffee filters into odor-absorbing sachets. Ever thought about tackling those stubborn household smells with something as simple as a coffee filter? Well, you can turn coffee filters into effective odor-absorbing sachets. Just fill them up with baking soda, secure them with rubber bands, and voila! You've got yourself a homemade sachet. These can be conveniently placed in various spots around the house, like drawers, closets, inside your shoes, gym bags, or even in the refrigerator, to keep things smelling fresh. If you're feeling extra, why not add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to the sachet? This way you get to enjoy a pleasant fragrance while the baking soda does its job of neutralizing odors. Grease absorbers. For those times when you're indulging in fried or greasy treats, coffee filters can be a game changer. Use a coffee filter as a base on your plate before serving the food. It's like magic. The filter absorbs the excess oil, making your meal a tad healthier. This trick comes in super handy for items like fried chicken, where reducing the grease can make all the difference in enjoying your favorite comfort food. Coffee filters as microwave dish covers. Tired of cleaning up those pesky food spotters inside your microwave? Here's a simple hack. Use a coffee filter as a cover over your plate or bowl before popping it into the microwave. This nifty trick helps prevent splatters, keeping your microwave spotless. Plus, it's a game changer because it allows steam to escape, ensuring your food heats up evenly without the mess. It's a hassle-free solution for a cleaner, more efficient microwave experience. Snack holders. Effortless munching. Coffee filters are your go-to solution for hassle-free snacking. Perfect for serving popcorn, chips, nuts, or pretzels. These makeshift bowls are just a grab away. The natural shape of a coffee filter is ideal for keeping your snacks in check, while its lightweight design makes it super easy to carry around. And the best part? Once you're done indulging, you can simply dispose of the filter, cutting down on dishes and cleanup time. Snack time just got a whole lot easier. Homemade herbal tea bags. Are you a fan of herbal teas? Well, coffee filters are here to bring a twist to your tea time. Transform them into personalized tea bags with ease. Simply take your pick from a variety of loose tea leaves or herbs. Fill a coffee filter with your blend, gather the edges and tie them up with a string. Place your DIY tea bag into a mug of boiling water and let it steep just as you would with any store-bought tea bag. This DIY approach allows you the freedom to mix and match herbs, creating tea blends that perfectly match your taste buds. Wine filters. Savor the pure taste. Encounter cork particles in your wine no more with the simple yet effective coffee filter trick. Place a filter over your wine bottle or decanter and pour the wine slowly through it. This neat trick catches any unwanted cork bits or sediment, ensuring a smoother, cleaner pour. It's particularly useful for older wines or those conditioned in the bottle, where sediment is more likely to be an issue. Enjoy your wine to the fullest, without the interruption of unwanted particles. Polish applicators. Looking for a way to polish stainless steel, glass, or any shiny surface without leaving behind lint or scratches? Coffee filters to the rescue. Their soft texture make them an ideal choice for applying polish. Just grab a clean filter, apply your polishing agent, and start shining away. You'll be amazed at how effective and lint-free your polishing efforts turn out, all thanks to the humble coffee filter. Face blotting papers. Caught battling against the midday shine on your face? Believe it or not, coffee filters can offer a simple and cost-effective solution. Cut them into smaller pieces and voila! You have an affordable alternative to pricey blotting papers. The absorbent nature of coffee filters makes them perfect for soaking up excess oil, leaving your skin looking fresh and matte without spending extra. Cheese wrappers, keeping cheese fresh. Have you ever thought about using coffee filters as a smart storage solution for cheese? Wrap your cherished cheese varieties in a coffee filter, securing it neatly with a rubber band or twine. The beauty of this method lies in the filter's porous nature. which permits the cheese to breathe, preventing it from drying out while tucked away in your refrigerator. The end result? Cheese that remains fresh, tasty, and ready to elevate your culinary experiences wherever you desire. Nail polish remover pads, a manicure must-have. Caught without cotton pads or tissues when it's time to take off your nail polish? No worries. Coffee filters, trimmed into smaller pieces, are here to rescue your manicure routine. Thanks to their soft and absorbent qualities, these makeshift pads efficiently remove nail polish, ensuring you're left with clean nails and no annoying residue or fibers. It's the perfect, hassle-free solution for maintaining spotless nails. Herb drying sheets. Preserve your garden's bounty. For those who love gardening and cooking with fresh herbs, coffee filters present an effortless way to dry and preserve these green delights. Lay your freshly picked herbs on a coffee filter and let them air dry. The filter's breathable fabric promotes adequate airflow and even drying, all while preventing any moisture from getting trapped. Once dry, your herbs are ready to be stored for future culinary adventures or added straight into your cooking, bursting with flavor and aroma. Cooking oil strainers. Reuse and reduce waste. In the spirit of sustainability and thriftiness, reusing cooking oil is a practical move. To ensure the oil is clean and ready for another round in the kitchen, employ a coffee filter as a strainer. Place it over a jar or container and carefully pour the cooled oil through. The filter acts as a sieve, catching any unwanted impurities or solid bits, leaving you with purified oil for your next dish. Seed envelopes. Organize your garden dreams. Transform coffee filters into practical seed envelopes for an organized and efficient gardening experience. Simply fold a coffee filter into a pocket, tuck your seeds inside and secure it with tape. Don't forget to label each envelope with type of seed and the date collected or purchased. This method not only keeps your seeds neatly organized, but also leverages the coffee filter's breathable fabric to ensure your seeds remain dry and aerated, ready for the next planting season. Plant pot liners. Keep it clean and tidy. Coffee filters find yet another purpose as efficient plant pot liners. Whether you're planting indoors or out, place a filter at the bottom of the pot to cover the drainage holes. This acts as a clever barrier that allows water to drain freely while keeping the soil in place, preventing it from washing out. It's a simple step that contributes to a healthier growing environment for your plants and keeps surfaces clean and stain-free from escaping soil. Fire starters. Light up your adventures. Coffee filters are stepping out of the kitchen and into the great outdoors as an ingenious solution for lighting fires. Preparing for a camping trip or setting up a bonfire? Transform coffee filters into effective fire starters with a simple dip in wax or cooking oil. After letting them dry thoroughly, place one beneath your logs or kindling, strike a match, and watch your fire roar to life with ease. The filter, soaked in wax or oil, ensures a slow, steady burn, offering an efficient way to kickstart your fire in any outdoor scenario. Beyond brewing. The versatile life of coffee filters. Next time you grab a coffee filter, remember that it's not just for your morning brew. These humble paper items are a treasure trove of practical, cost-effective solutions for everyday challenges. From innovative organization hacks and cleaning shortcuts, to becoming a key player in your fire-starting kit, coffee filters have you covered. Their versatility and affordability makes them a must-have in any household. Unleash your creativity with coffee filters. Let these ideas inspire you to look at coffee filters in a new light. Embrace these practical, alternative uses and discover how they can simplify your life in unexpected ways. And for those eager to explore further, we've got something special for you. Dive into our engaging video that unveils a myriad of useful and environmentally friendly ways to repurpose your leftover coffee grounds. You'll find the link right in the description below. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us bring more fantastic content your way. Want to stay updated on our latest videos? Subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss out on new and innovative ideas. Thanks for tuning in. Please be well, be wise, and take care.